Jai Hind everyone, I am Divya. So today I am here to discuss on a breaking story as few days ago America carried out explosive attacks on Venezuela inside the Operation Absolute Resolve. So let us discuss the attacks and the reason behind them in detail. Early hours of Saturday morning, news on every news channel highlights and every social media app, the explosion would be reported in the capital of Venezuela, Caracas, and multiple states of Venezuela. As we know, Venezuela is the South American country, and it is also noticed that the tensions between these two countries also building up. The two countries are United States of America and Venezuela. And USA also claims and firstly reported and then confirmed the president of Venezuela, Maduro, is also captured by the special forces of USA. So let us know what are the justification was given by USA on this attack. The first one is narco-terrorism and drug trafficking. USA claims that Venezuela is the hub of cocaine and its export and sends drug to USA by the route of Colombia, then Venezuela, Caribbean, and then USA. And it also said that the President Maduro is indicted with US courts in the case of narco-terrorism, drug trafficking, and money laundering. The next one is external crisis and internal US politics. 7 million criminal is flooded in economic collapse and entering in US and disturb their mental peace. This also a reason behind them. And the one of the most reason is the Venezuela is the largest country which has these 303 billion barrel of oil, while the America has only 55 billion barrel of oil. So it is the largest and the major cause behind the attack, because if the control of this oil and the Venezuela is in US, so it will have many profits like their companies, etc. Third one is geopolitical alignment. Venezuela has a good relation with the country which are in opposite of USA like Russia, China, Cuba. So these are some reasons, but in the international law, it will be illegal because Venezuela is a sovereign country. So these are some reason behind this attack. Thank you. Jai Hind.